Hey y'all, we are back today working on another one of Matt's trucks, the Silver Bullet. So today we're going to be doing a throttle position sensor, pedal position sensor, whatever you want to call it. I wanted to do something different and show you the code I got before I started working on this one. So this is what we have. We have P0122 throttle pedal position sensor circuit slow. And then we have this one inconsistent with MAF mass, I guess, but just because it's not working. But we will turn the truck off, hear the genuine Ford tone, and we'll start taking it apart. I've already got some of it taken apart because I had started on this and then I needed a different bit, and then accidentally deleted all the footage off the camera. So I'm going to explain where we're at. Intake, take this guy apart and unplug the one sensor that goes right here, and then you can kind of set it to the side. You also got on, I guess, vacuum lines. Next is this big thing. Sorry, I had to climb up here. This guy, let's move the tools, is this guy right here, and it goes on these two bolts. Not sure what size they are because I used one of these, but I couldn't find my socket set. But now what we're gonna do, you also have to unplug these. Now what we're gonna do is get a Phillips and take this screw off, and then there's another screw on the bottom down here. So we're gonna get that done, and then all we'll do is replace the part. So always before you start working on something, make sure you have the correct part so you don't get that far and then mess up. So this is our old part, and then this is our new part. So we look the same. And I'll take that off, and then I'll come back whenever we're done. Alrighty, old part is out. New part right beside it. I ended up using a PH3 Phillips head for it because I really didn't want to strip those. This is what they look like. It looks like someone's kind of already been in here one time. Yeah, but excuse me, I had to sneeze. So we'll put this part right back there, and I just kind of double checked that this little piece on the inside that moves was the same, and it's in the same position now. I'm sure it's, you know, default with the throttle body closed, but throw this guy back on, and then we'll put all the parts back together and be done, and hopefully the code's resolved. I did want to, sometimes when you're going down the road and the sensor's out, your RPMs can be fluctuating with you not pressing the gas any different, which makes sense because the sensor that senses the position of the throttle is out. But I just wanted to say that in case any of you wanted to know what symptoms he was having. All right, be right back. Here we are, all buttoned up. And no more codes on the dash. No more codes. And then when we give it some throttle, the RPMs will stay constant now. Yep. Awesome. Job well done. Thanks for coming along, guys.